In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install plugins in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find plugins, how to choose the right one, and how to complete the installation so it's ready to use in your account. Let's start from inside your GoHighLevel agency account. From your main dashboard, the first place you want to go is the Launchpad. This is essentially your starting hub where you can access major tools and set up options for your agency. If you're not sure where it is, look for the section or menu item labeled Launchpad and click into it. Give the page a moment to load if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once you're in the Launchpad, look for the option called App Marketplace. This is where all the available apps and plugins live. Go ahead and click on App Marketplace. Think of this as the store or catalog for extending GoHighLevel's functionality, whether you're connecting third-party tools or adding new features directly into your workflows. Inside the app marketplace, you'll see different ways to explore the available plugins. At the top, there should be a search bar. You can type in the name of a specific app or plugin if you already know what you're looking for. This is the quickest way when you have something particular in mind. If you're just browsing, you can also click on categories. This lets you filter plugins by type, such as analytics, communication, billing, or other functional categories. Browsing by category is useful if you have a general need, like email or automation, but aren't sure which tool to pick yet. When you find an app or plugin that looks like a good fit, click on it to open its details page. Here you'll usually see a description, key features, and sometimes screenshots or links to documentation. Take a moment to read through this information. Make sure it does what you expect, and double check if there are any pricing details, usage limits, or special requirements mentioned. If you're happy with the plugin and ready to move forward, look for the install button on that app's page and click on it. This action starts the installation process. After clicking install, you'll typically be guided through a short confirmation flow. The next button you'll see is continue. Click continue to move ahead. This step is there to make sure you really intend to connect this plugin to your GoHighLevel account. You'll then see a screen asking for permissions. The plugin needs access to certain parts of your account to work properly, like contacts, pipelines, or messages, depending on what it does. Read through the permission summary so you're aware of what the plugin can see and doubt. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click on Allow and Install. This confirms that you agree to grant those permissions and completes the installation. After a few moments, the plugin should be connected to your GoHighLevel account. From here, you can follow any additional setup instructions provided by the app, such as connecting external accounts or adjusting settings inside your GoHighLevel workspace. And that's all there is to it. You've gone from opening the Launchpad to browsing the app marketplace to installing and allowing